Hi, this is Dr. B. Let's do the Lewis structure for BCl3. Boron has 3 valence electrons. Chlorine has 7, but since we have 3 of those, we'll multiply them together and we get a total of 24 valence electrons. Let's draw it. We'll put boron at the center, and then let's put chlorines around it. There are 3 of them, and put some electrons. So we have 24. We'll put them between to form bonds. There's 6, and then on the outer atoms, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. We've used all the valence electrons up. Only problem is that boron doesn't have an octet. The interesting thing is boron doesn't necessarily have to have 8 valence electrons. So I could draw it this way, but I could also draw it with a double bond. So to do the double bond over here, I'll just take these, get rid of those, and put them right here. And that double bond will give us 8 valence electrons for the chlorine and 8 for the bromine. But the question is now, which of these structures is correct? Well, to find out, what we can do is use the idea of formal charges. So to do that, we have an equation that'll help us. So let's do the chlorine, this one right here, and see what its formal charges are. We have 7 valence electrons for chlorine on the periodic table, non-bonding. These right here, we have 6, and then bonding, we have 2, and we'll put that over 2. 7 minus 6 minus 1 is 0. So the formal charge for this chlorine is 0. For the bromine here, we have 3 valence electrons, non-bonding, well, they're all bonding, and then bonding electrons, we have these, and these. So we have 8 over 2, so 3 minus 4 is negative 1. That's our formal charge on the bromine. And for the chlorine right here, we have 7 minus 4 minus 4 over 2, so 7 minus 4 minus 2 equals plus 1. So the formal charge on this chlorine is plus 1. Now let's go over here. We have chlorine, so that's going to be 7 minus 6 minus 2 over 2. That equals 0, so formal charge is 0. For the bromine here, we have 3 minus 0 minus 6 over 2. 3 minus 3 gives us 0. So the formal charge on the bromine is 0. And since all these chlorines are the same, they're all going to be 0 as well. So when you look at formal charges, the molecule with the most zeros, closest to 0, that's the one that's going to be the best Lewis structure. And in this case, this one right here is the Lewis structure that's going to be most appropriate. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.